Hello guys, this is your D.M.A flyer William. Today we are going to show you Sheraton Pentagon City Hotel. When I arrived, hot chocolate and cookies were offered in the lobby, which was really a nice touch for the holiday season. The decor was beautiful and the check-in personnel was very friendly. I would say this hotel is way underrated on the internet. From my own experience for this stay, I think it deserves a better rating. I was upgraded to the one-bedroom suite by the front desk personnel. I really appreciate this gesture. Upon entering the room, it's the living room space. The living room is spacious with comfortable furniture. TVs are both available in the living room and the bedroom. Extra blanket is available in the drawer under the TV. Mini refrigerator is available in the cabinet. Now let's take a look at the bedroom. The bedroom is also spacious. There is a couch and a dining table available. The dining table comes with power outlets, so it can also be used as an office table. The bed is stylish and comfortable, but I don't really like the pillows. Unidentifiable buttons. That's new. Let's take a look at the bathroom. This hotel also offers one room for a room with double occupancy. I just don't get it. Sleepers are also for one person only. Now let's take a look at the views from our windows. The vibes are different during daytime. You can also see some landing views from here. During my stay, there was an ugly sweater Christmas karaoke event. They offer bingo games and free snacks. I did get some snacks for the night. As a Platinum member, I selected the free breakfast as my welcome gift. Usually, you need to stay for 50 nights to be a Marriott Bonvoy Platinum member. However, there is a shortcut. You can be a Marriott Bonvoy Platinum member simply by holding the American Express Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant card. The annual fee is steep, it's $650. But you also get a 300 dining credit, and each year you also get a free night certificate, which can be used for one night stay for up to 85,000 Marriott Bonvoy points. It can be extremely valuable. As the executive lounge was closed during weekend, I enjoyed my breakfast at the hotel restaurant. The restaurant offered buffet breakfast. Everything was fresh and tasty. Next to the restaurant is this living room-like space. The business center is also here. However, during my stay, both computers were not working. The hotel should have someone to monitor this place more frequently. There is also a microwave for guests to use. Next to the restaurant is the gift shop. There is also an ATM available. As the executive lounge was closed, the hotel offered the complimentary appetizer vouchers. You can order from the restaurant menu. Chicken wings were really tasty and the portion was good. I love these wings. Yum! The barbecue shrimps were good, but the portion, I just wish they can have more shrimps. The gym is located in a high floor, however there is no view, unfortunately. Overall, I did enjoy my stay here. The downside of this hotel is the location. It's a little bit far from the airport. The hotel does provide shuttle bus. There are two different routes, one to the DCA airport and the other one is to the Pentagon City Metro station. If you need a shuttle, remember to check with the hotel for the frequency. If you like this video, remember to click like and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.